let's start. So, good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today, in the previous class, we have listened the story of Bhaiya and Munna, which is written by Munshi Premchand in Hindi. बड़े भाई साहब, इसको इंग्लिश में लाया गया है इस स्टोरी को. मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी की स्टोरी को इसको इंग्लिश में अडप्ट किया गया है. तो आज उसको हम रोल प्ले करके देखेंगे. सो लेट्स प्ले द स्टोरी. The role of Munna will be played by Devasmita and the role of Bade Bhaiya will be played by Vivekananda. Okay, Vivekananda, raise your hand. Yes. Which role you will be playing?
मैम भैया
My Devasmita.
मैम मैं मुन्ना बनूंगा.
Devasmita.
I am playing Munna role.
Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So this is a story by Premchand titled Bade Bhai Sahab. The story shows that experience is as important as hard work. So this is a scene of two brothers sitting in a hostel room. This is a hostel room, two brothers. Bhaiya is 14 years old and Munna is 9 years old. Sitting at a study table, the elder brother Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger brother Munna is drawing pictures. So let's see. Munna is drawing pictures of birds and animals. So this is the scene. Now let's see what Munna and Bhaiya are talking together.
What are you doing, Munna? I am drawing. When will you study? Where were you in the morning? I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? That is because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 hours to do 1 year's work. Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. You know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or write English properly, remedial support is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to field, play marbles, and fly with paper kites, or sit and live away with friends for fun. Cannot you sit down and study? Oh, Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard money. Oh, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up and down. But when is the time to play? Play? What is the need, Munna? Oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and hooto sounds of the kabaddi. and the hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything.
Now, this is scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. So let's see what is going on between Munna and Bhaiya.
As I have failed once again. Oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. But my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart? Once in a while, in a gully and again, you might get a lucky and hit a goal. But that does not mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. In geometry, if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is not wrong. The examiner will not separate you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Oh, Bhai Sahib, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the ninth class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class. Just today, we are asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine if something we written in 4 pages and it still be short. It is so all measure. My God, it was time for school or else the scolding would have gone on and on.
Now, so this is the conversation between two brothers. Now it's the third scene. The results are out once again, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset.
Ah,
Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. Bhaiya now becomes gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before.
Ah, I am lucky. I can pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites. But I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites. Are not you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Do not you realize that now you are in 8th class and are not studying in a lower class? If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and I cannot say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are and will always be. Understanding does not come only from reading books. Look, Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. Really, Bhaiya? Is that true? Yes, there are 1,000 things that they know more than you and me. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were fall to sick today? No, Bhaiya. Out and draw. Ah, I had expected this answer. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. Oh, Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. I also like to play and fly kites. But if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? You are my responsibility. I love you, Bhaiya. I love you too, Munna.
Okay, so this is all the play is about. So children, you enjoyed the play? You enjoyed the role play that is done by Vivekananda and
Yes,
Devasmita?
ma'am.
Okay, so let's give a
Yes,
thanks to
ma'am.
them.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you Vivekananda and Devasmita. So, what is the story
Welcome,
is
ma'am.
about?
Yes, ma'am.
This is about Bhaiya and Munna. Munna was little naughty, little trickle. He loved to play. He loved to go out. He loved to play. He loved to draw pictures of birds and animals. But Bhaiya is very sincere, and Bhaiya is Bhaiya is very sincere, and Bhaiya is very studious. And he always keeps himself busy in studies. And he is the elder brother of Munna. He also guides Munna to study well, to work hard. You know, hard work is also necessary to get success in any field, in any of the tasks. So Bhaiya is very hardworking. He also advises Munna to do hard work. But Munna is the little boy, and he always wants to go out and play. But Bhaiya is not so good at study. He fails repeatedly in one class, and Munna reaches up to him. When Bhaiya is still in the ninth class, Munna reaches the eighth class, and then Munna become nuttier, and Bhaiya become gentler on Munna. And now Bhaiya doesn't scold Munna so much, and that's why Munna become more fickle, become nuttier. So then uh, once again they meet where Munna was playing. Uh, by chance, Bhaiya met him, and Bhaiya then scolded. But Munna, how can you play? You are not studying. Do you think? Do you think you are in 8th class? I am in 9th class, and still I am 5 years older than you. I have right to scold you. I can guide you. And so this is what children from this story we learn that we everything we don't learn from the books only. We learn from the experiences also. We learn from the experiences of others also. Our grandparents may not have uh, gone to the school ever, but still we have so much to learn from them. Hmm? They have many things with them. They can teach us. So this is the story about. We everything we don't learn from the books. Experience is as important as hard work. So two things are important in our life. Hard work is important. Also, experience is important. We should do our hard work, and we also respect the experiences of the elders. So understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So thank you all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.